I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Hōsaku Trays. Hōsaku Trays aims to bring family closer together by eating and enjoying their sushi baked trays. And what we will be enjoying are their two best sellers, the Karai Unagi and the Salmon Ikura. And yan is scoop a spoonful and put it in nori sheet, then enjoy. For that, let's do it yudayon. And excited sa Kokeberg. I think this is a new brand or my first time to try this nori sheet sa kaninga brand. Start it off with the Karai Unagi. This is a kani-based dish in a spicy unagi sauce topped with black masago and eel strips. And the next flavor ang Salmon Ikura. This is a seared salmon in a special creamy sauce topped with bonito flakes and little benishoga. And there you can see kung unsa gyud siya ka-creamy. Mas na-excited kung mukaon ani niya. Actually guys, they have 11 flavors or I mean variants. And you can have 2 variants in a 2x6 tray for 1,000 pesos. And you can request for rice to be upgraded to adlai or Japanese rice for an added cost. And let's try this dayon nga wala sa ang nori sheets and lamig gyud siya daan on its own. And now, nara, complete package na gyud siya. And so juicy. Mo ako ganahan ka ng equal ang rice ug ang topping nga proportion. Walay maglabaw kay para mas balance and mas lamig ang pagkaon. O ka nang ni-try jud ko sa eel alone oy. And kigigamayan jud ko sa spoonful, dapat 2 spoonful. Aw. Bitaw guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye.